Kids get eczema. Adults do too. But we made this one just for kids because, well, we love our kids, right? So what are we gonna do for our eczema? Well, we're gonna use the ammonia lactate. I love ammonia lactate because it is a very soft way to moisturize the skin. By acidifying the top layer, it gets rid of the skin that is already nasty. It'll take that skin and get rid of it for you so you don't continue to make the exact same stuff. We're gonna use a little bit of hydrocortisone. Hydrocortisone at a 0.5%, which is where we're gonna end up being at, will help reduce in the inflammatory markers and in the inflammation itself around the eczema. Hydrocortisone will help reduce that so you don't continue to produce the eczema right where you have it, because it'll tell the immune system to, hey, knock it off a little bit. And of course, I'm adding lanolin because I'm Phil. I add lanolin. That's what I do. Why do we add lanolin? It's because it acts like sebum. It looks like our oil. It acts like our oil. Our skin loves it. So it's an anhydrous sheep fat. So what happens is they take and they strip the oil off of the wool, and that's where the lanolin comes from. And it looks really similar to what we produce ourselves out of our sweat glands. So how are we gonna do this? This is easy. So we're gonna take 30 grams of hydrocortisone ointment. It's gotta be the ointment in this case because we want it to be thick and delicious. Then we're gonna take 30 grams of lanolin, which is exactly what this tube holds. Make sure you mix the hydrocortisone and the lanolin first. Then we have all of our ointment bases in there to begin with. Now, you're gonna take 60 grams of ammonia lactate, which matches the 60 grams that's already in there, and we're gonna add that right in there. You mix these guys together. I'm telling you, that'll take care of your kids' eczema. It works wonders on it. And you put it on twice a day, a thin layer will do it.